Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for watching this video. Today, I would like to introduce my PhD student, Mr. Trum. He is one of my collaborators for the design of our own LoRaWAN system, and he is Trum. He is our student in Dutan University. He is one of the collaborator, and he is actually the electronics and embedded system designer who has actually done work on LoRaWAN. So now we are going to demonstrate what is actually LoRaWAN and how we have able to make our own LoRaWAN kit. So basically, if you talk of LoRa, so LoRa means long range, and LoRaWAN is known as long range wireless access network. So in order to communicate the IoT devices, we need a particular radio modulation technology that is known as LoRa. And in order to facilitate the communication, we need a network protocol that is known as LoRaWAN. Now I would like to demonstrate what exactly we have done, and soon we will be publishing the research paper on this area. So thank you so much. Let's watch the LoRaWAN. So as you can see, this is our LoRaWAN structure, and this is our own in-house and autonomous invention that we have done with Mr. Trung and Mr. Tum. And let us demonstrate the nodes first of all. So as you can see, this is our underwater sensor node, and it is having the pH sensor, and it is even having the turbine sensor. And you can see that it is having the LoRaWAN node in order to communicate directly with the gateway. And the gateway is connected to, this is a power bank of 7000 megampere, and this batteries are even 4000 mAh. So a very low power and high range communication that we are doing. This is again, we have the gas sensor. You can see this is again the Zigbee sensor, Zigbee. So in order to communicate, we have used this one as to convert the Zigbee to LoRa. So this LoRa again is facilitated with 4000 mAh, and again this communication is happening over here with the gateway. So here is our gateway, and it is powered with the power bank. So here we have our temperature as well as humidity sensor. So this is again, you can see the data is coming 100%, and this again is facilitated with this type of LoRa connectivity again to the gateway here. So this is our again the gas sensor over here, and again we have the two Zigbee nodes, and again it is converted to the LoRaWAN node. We have the agriculture sensor over here, so that we can see, and here we have the LoRaWAN node. So let us see the important thing. So here you can see the data is coming. So here is our cluster 1, cluster 2 LoRa cluster, and if we go on this one, so here you can see that all the readings are coming, and even on ThingSpeak, we can have the data. Okay, so you can see this is the data that is coming, and we have made a perfect system for LoRaWAN. So LoRa to ThingSpeak, and you can see all the data readings are almost 100% with 100% efficiency. So thank you so much for watching this video.